Put the water tray into the bottom of the basin. Pour an appropriate amount of water into the tray. Place the heat insulation reflector plate onto the base. Ensure that the arrows on the reflector plate align with those on the base. Put the heating tube assembly on the heat insulation reflector plate. Put the grill pan on the heating tube assembly. Place the glass cover on the unit. Your smokeless grill is now ready for use. Connect the power cord to the unit securely. After plugging in, all the indicators flash for a moment. Then the power indicator will flash red. Touch the power button to power on. The indicator will remain on constantly. Touch the plus or minus button to switch the temperature setting. This unit has 6 temperature settings, namely 200 Fahrenheit, 250 Fahrenheit, 300 Fahrenheit, 350 Fahrenheit, 400 Fahrenheit, 450 Fahrenheit. During the heating process, the circular temperature indicator lights will flash according to your setting. After heating is completed, the circular indicator lights remains on constantly. Touch the power button again to enter the standby mode. The unit will stop heating and the indicator flashes. Touch the fan button to activate the fan function to prevent grease buildup. The fan indicator remains constantly red. Touch the fan button again to turn off the fan. The fan function can be independently controlled regardless of whether the machine is heating or not. Before cleaning, turn off and unplug the unit and allow it to cool completely. Wipe the glass cover, grill pan, reflector plate, and water tray with a mild detergent, then dry with a soft cloth. Clean the main unit with a soft, damp cloth only. Do not rinse or immerse in water.